Hey, what do you want for lunch? What do you want for lunch?
Fish.
Goldfish? Yeah? Is that what you want? You want fish? Goldfish? Are you excited? I'm trying to get his excited face. It's been really cute. Do you want peanut butter and jelly?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you want chicken nuggets?
No.
Oh, you do want chicken nuggets?
No.
No? What do you want?
Fish.
Fish? What kind of fish? Goldfish? Yeah? Is that what you want? Okay. Mason, what do you want for lunch? Mason, what do you want for lunch?
Goldfish.
You want? Okay, that is a snack. So what else are we gonna have for lunch?
Mommy.
What?
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Fish.
Fish sticks? Goldfish? Yeah? Is that what you want? Okay. Alright, well, we'll see what we can dig up. Oh, are you peeling the orange all by yourself? Let me see. Let me see the rest of it.
I don't have a trash bin by me, so I'm gonna, after I'm done, I'm gonna pick it.
You just put them on your mat until it's all done. Or where have you been throwing it? Do I want to know? There it is. You've been throwing it on the floor. Put the peels on your mat.
How funny.
Why not? Where'd you go? Are you still sleepy from nap time? Okay. I'm going to turn the video off. Say bye-bye. Just give me food.
Bye.